In this video, we learn about another important property of a fluid, that is specific gravity. Specific gravity. Specific gravity of a fluid. It can be represented in two different ways. One is gamma, or in some textbooks, it can be written as S. The definition point of view, it is the ratio between here. To know about the specific gravity definition, we should know about two things. One is the reference fluid, reference reference fluid, and second one is the required fluid, required fluid. Reference fluid means in this entire fluid mechanics and hydraulic motion subject, the reference fluid is always water. Why? Because all the fluids can be compared with this water only. Required fluid means in any problem, if they give some particular fluid, suppose in some problems they give as mercury, uh, or petrol, diesel, or any fluid or air. In some problems they may ask about the air, like that. So these are the required fluids. So reference fluid is the water, and remaining all other fluids are considered it as the required fluid. Now coming to the specific gravity definition point of view, here it is the ratio between the specific weights of the reference fluid and the specific weight of the required fluid and specific weight of the reference fluid. The definition of the specific gravity is specific weight of the specific weight of required fluid. In the problem, which fluid they give, that is the required fluid. And specific weight of reference fluid. Reference fluid is always, you can take it as the water. Reference fluid is always take it as the water. So from this we can write the formula gamma equal to specific weight. Specific weight means small w, that is for the required fluid, and specific weight of the reference fluid. From this, we know specific weight can be written as rho into g. Specific weight can be written as rho g, rho of the required fluid by rho means density. So here density of the reference fluid into gravitation. So from this we can written as rho density of the required fluid by density of the reference fluid. Density of the required fluid by density of the required fluid by density of the reference fluid. So this is the definition of the specific gravity. So here these are the relations. If you observe that there is no units for the specific gravity. Suppose if you want to calculate the specific gravity of water, water means here density of the required fluid by density of the reference fluid. Here required fluid is water, reference fluid is also water. So both the densities are 1000. So here 1000 gets cancelled. The specific gravity of the water is 1. In the similarly, if you want to know the specific gravity of mercury, specific gravity of the mercury. Here mercury is the required fluid. So required fluid formula is required fluid density by reference fluid. Reference fluid density. Here reference fluid density. Required fluid density is 13,600 kg per meter cube. Reference fluid is water. Water density is 1000. So here its value is 13.6. Its value is 13.6. So in this way, we can calculate the density of any type of fluid. We can calculate the density of any type of fluid. Here the highlighted point is definition is specific the ratio between specific weight of required fluid and the specific weight of the standard fluid or reference fluid, or density of the required fluid by density of the reference fluid. Reference fluid is nothing but the water. And one more important point is here, this is the specific gravity of water is 1, specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. These four are the important for the competitive exam point of view. In the next video, we learn about the viscosity of the fluid. That is a very important property for the